Okay, what's up, everyone? It's on the internet. I guess I'm going to do a little driving vlog. We'll check out how bad the traffic is. There is a Category 5 hurricane headed towards Florida as we speak. So I've been seeing reports of people going bananas about the water situation and the gas situation. So let's see if we can see any of this tomfoolery that's going on right now. So here we go. There's gonna be some bad drivers out here because everybody's in a rush to go get their supplies. Have to keep an extra close eye out for the not so great drivers. So far it looks pretty calm. I'll try to make like a vlog a day if I can, if I still have, as long as I have power, you know, I can still vlog. I don't have any solar chargers or anything like that, so when I do go out of power, that'll be about it as far as the vlogging. I'll try to charge all my electronics now, but you know how batteries last on these cameras nowadays. These cameras eat these batteries for breakfast. And there's no way to recharge them. I don't really have any AAA cameras, AAA battery or AA battery cameras. It would be nice to have, actually, right about now, but I have my phone. I can charge it in the car for the most part, and maybe do a vlog or two after the power goes out. Well, we don't know exactly if it's gonna hit us or not, but we'll see. This gas station is packed. So this is the first one. There's definitely lines to get gas there that we passed. I'm gonna guess this is the same situation. Right now I'm at full gas, so I did get gas before the weekend. I don't need any gas right now, but let's see. I passed by like 3 or 4 more gas stations, and then I'm gonna pass by a super Walmart or whatever. See how I know most of the stores are already out of water, and this is like, you know, 5 days before the hurricane, 6 days before the hurricane. Most stores are already out, so that's supply and demand. I think gas has jumped up from $2.50. It was like $2.25 for the longest time. Then after this Texas thing happened, it jumped up to $2.50, and now it's, I think in Florida it's $3. So there's some price gouging going on. If I see any of it, I will report it. I don't know, maybe that's just like how much gas went up everywhere, but it seems ridiculous that they're charging extra for water and gas, because people need it the most now. And we'll see. Let's just keep on chucking along, and I'll say the price of the gas stations. The prices. I'll mention the prices as well. The last time I didn't even catch it. We'll see. I was thinking about doing the ride-sharing services while the hurricane was, you know, going into effect, but I don't know what the market with that would be. I don't even know if the people are going to try to leave or do whatever. Oh boy. That little suction cup almost fell off. Almost lost all the suck out of the suction cup. I'll have to clean it and reposition it when I get home. So yeah, other ways we're preparing. We got some water. We got those hurricane shutters. I gotta find some kind of key that goes into them or something. I don't know. So we'll do that when we get home. Maybe test them all out and make sure they all close properly and whatnot, that they're not damaged. Besides that, the plan is to bunker down. There's no evacuation or anything. Schools are out Thursday and Friday, so that'll be a lot less stress on the parents or whatever, so they can actually prepare for this hurricane. The hurricane's we're supposed to be able to feel the effects. It already looks cloudy, but it's been cloudy for the last several days, so that's not saying much. But yeah, it does look gray out here. I don't see any really strong winds or anything at this point. I noticed the Caribbean islands are feeling, there's a little gust actually, now that I look at the foliage. I might take a different route home just because I know the gas station. I do want to see what the whole dilly is, but the gas station I'm about to pass is probably going to be stupid packed. Alright, so there's a marathon right here. Let's check the price. $2.69. So yeah, it did jump up. Not the $3 mark, but it is close. And a couple days ago, gas was $2.50. So just keep that in mind. It's jumped up like more than 10 cents. So there's a bit of price gouging. This gas station, there's no real long line, but there's like a couple of cars waiting. So Marathon on the corner of 17th and whatever, probably good. Get some gas. Very erratic, trying to get to their destinations and prepare as much as they can. Let's see. Hopefully, the storm just passes by. I know the Keys are most likely going to get hit. In every forecast they got, predictions they got, Keys is going to get messed up. So, that's the thing. I'll keep you guys up to date with what's going down with Irma. And I hear there's another hurricane behind Irma, which is not, I don't know, like, alright hurricanes, we get it, you're there. We've gone a couple years without like any major hurricanes, so. Alright, so this gas station, let's see. Prices are $2.69 again for regular. Diesel's gonna cost you $3. Supreme's gonna cost you $3.20. So yeah, the prices have gone up in a very short period of time. This gas station is packed too. There are no pumps available. Grocery stores are also packed. Every parking lot that has a grocery store is jam-packed. As I said before, a lot of places are out of water. That's a thing. If you have to, people, just boil your water. It'll be drinkable to some extent. And maybe start storing it. Just keep on boiling pots of water. And, well, clean your bathtub if you're gonna store it there. Like, yeah, that's that shit. But yeah, if that's what the plan is, like, yeah, just make sure your bathroom's really clean and you don't have any like mold around the bathtub or anything like that, because that'll mess you up too. So yeah, that one wasn't so bad. As we get later into the week, I'm sure it's going to get a lot worse. That gas station was pretty hectic. I don't know. Yeah, you guys can see it, like, but I'm mentioning it too late. Like, I'm looking at it as I pass it. Just mentioned it before, really, kind of. I drank too much coffee today, and now I have like a little burpees in my stomach. Like, whenever I drink more than one cup of coffee, it's like, oh no, why did I do that? So yeah, this isn't gonna be the most exciting vlog ever, car ride, whatever you want to call it. Oh my goodness, all these jam-packed, and there's a line to get into the parking lot. Even cars are just waiting because it's that packed. Let's see what else has gone down. Walmart looks pretty hectic as well. Oof. This ain't looking good, guys. People are freaking out and they're consuming the crap out of things, especially water and non-perishables. Because here's the deal. This is why people are freaking out. Anytime there's any kind of hurricane, Florida goes out of power for weeks. Our infrastructure, even though we pleaded and begged with FPNL to please put the power lines underground, they're still, above ground for the most part. And whenever we have a palm frond hit a power line, it's a done deal. So you can imagine with how many palm fronds are flying during these things, that the power goes out pretty quickly. And it takes weeks to repair all the damage. So that's the thing. And that's why people they know their fridges are going to go out of power. Eat up your food now, peoples. I don't know if that's the best advice, actually. Maybe save some of your food. Don't eat it all up. But your frozen stuff, you might as well be going to town on that, because it's not going to last. You can try to put it in coolers. You got probably a couple days extra after the power goes out before your non-perishables start turning. A good idea is, if you have like a deep freezer or freezer, throw a bunch of jugs of water, if you have them. Just fill up jugs of water and just put them in there. Boiled water preferably, so you can drink it afterwards, and put it in a container, not like bleach or anything, but put it in a container that's somewhat safe. If you have any 2-liter sodas, I don't know how well they do with being frozen, but freeze whatever you can in there, just so it stays colder longer, because those freezers and ice boxes get pretty hot pretty quick if you don't have anything in there that's keeping them cold. So the most important thing people already have devoured, and that's the water situation. Everybody's trying to scoop up as much water as they can. You're supposed to have 5 gallons per person, so it's a lot of water, and that's only pretty much going to last you, 5 days. So if you're really bunkering down, you should have a lot more water than that. And, if you're not expecting electricity or power for 2 weeks, you probably should have 2 weeks worth of water. Get cash out while you can. Cash out, get all the cash monies you can, because the ATMs aren't going to be working for the most part after the power goes out. There's a couple places like here and there, like some gas stations will have generators, and if you can find them and you can wait in the lines, and you'll be able to get some money out. But I wouldn't rely on those places. Okay, so the price of gas is $2.70 over here, and it is a line to get in that one. There's a big line. $2.69 over here. This Chevron, and it's all, you know, it's jam-packed. And I think this line of cars on the left-hand side right here, I think these people are all waiting to get into that gas station. So if that gives you any kind of reference on the situation. So yeah, there's a lot of cars in line to wait to get into that gas station. So that's the thing. Get your gas, get your whatnots. I don't think they're gonna run out today, but they might run out. So get what you need to get prepared. If you got a gas generator, you might want to stock up on gas. If you got a propane generator, or you got propane like grills, get your grills on. Get your propane now. Get your charcoal ready. So as soon as those stoves go off, it's gonna be hard to cook. So yeah, I'm trying to remove all the videos and the pictures I have on my phone, just so I can have everything backed up and ready to shoot some new stuff, because I was running out of room on my SD cards and whatnot. And that's a lot of space, you know, for a phone. Anyways, I make these long vlogs though. That doesn't really help anything. These long vlog formats. But as soon as they're online, I should be deleting them. The problem with that is I don't trust any of these websites now, so I gotta kind of have to upload them to all of them, and then I'm like more comfortable with deleting the videos, even though some of the videos might, you know, could be deleted. Not to say like they suck or anything, but oh man. Oosh. So we're gonna pass by 2 or 3 more gas stations, and I think 2 more grocery stores. So we'll see what the deal is as far as that goes. That's right next to me is a casino. It looks pretty empty right now. Nobody's trying to be up there gambling right now. Oh, there's a couple cars out there actually. People are trying to play their luck. Let's see. All right. So the speeds on this hurricane were kind of ridiculous. I saw that some of them had the speeds up to 185 miles an hour winds. So that's pretty damn strong. We were trying to get everything from around the house, you know, anything big, trying to put it inside. We got some big bricks out there, like on the garden, and I don't know. Probably just gonna move those bricks, so I don't know if I take them inside or what, but take all my bricks inside. But we also have rocks all throughout that garden. So it's like, oh boy. Such a mess as far as gardens go. It's not practical. Let's say that. As far as hurricanes go, anyways. It's a nice little garden, but I'll have to move what I can move, and just hope it doesn't mess up too much shit. Yeah, there's no way I can bring the car inside. The garage is way too packed for that kind of stuff. So hopefully I don't have broken windows and broken windshields and flooded car by the end of this. We'll see. Got my fingers crossed. Hashtag pray for Florida. You're gonna need it. It is taking longer than normal at this time to get home, but that could be expected. There's a lot of chaos going on right now. This gas station almost looks empty. It's like if they don't have gas. But it is up in the cut. I don't think many people know about that gas station. It's right up in there. I see a couple empty pumps. Oh, they have red bags over them. Never mind, they're out of gas. Oh well, that's too much for that. Like, there's red bags over all the pumps, so either they're all out of order or they're just out of gas. That's a bad sign. Yeah, I was just saying about how they probably won't run out of gas, but maybe places already have. Just another grocery stores. People driving erratic again. You'll get there. Just calm down, dude. This grocery store's packed too. This gas station definitely packed. Another Chevron, same price for gas, $2.69. The line is around the corner, and the other line is throughout that parking lot. So looks like it's around the corner and then some. This is just on my commute, you know. I think it's in the more populated areas. We're probably a lot worse. But this is way out west. Now that people don't live out west, but I'm sure out east it's a little even more crazy. We're almost there. We got one more. I'm gonna pass by one more Publix, so we'll check out that grocery store as well. I don't know if he's gonna pick up on camera. I think it's off to the right, but I'll let you know what's going on. I'm extra tired for some guy that drank 2 cups of coffee today. I'm super tired. Maybe that's why. I'm so tired because I drank that damn coffee. It had me all jittery. Now I'm crashing. Maybe I didn't get enough sleep. Either way, go to bed. Oh shit! There's a gas station. It's gonna probably be in the way. I'm just gonna go this way because gas station. Yeah, F that noise. So yeah, I changed my route. Now we're not gonna pass by anything else. So yeah, be safe out there, guys. Get prepared. This one doesn't look nice. Looks like it's pretty much gonna hit us. Anything could happen though, so hopefully we're spared. But if not, just treat each other like people. You know, love thy neighbor, all that good stuff. Help each other. And that's about it. Peace.